We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive expert overview of the BodyMark Temporary Tattoo Markers by BIC. This set includes 8 assorted colors of skin-safe, cosmetic-quality temporary tattoo markers that allow users to create their own temporary tattoos with ease and safety. The markers feature flexible felt brush tips that enable both thin and broad lines, making them versatile for detailed or bold designs. The pack also comes with reusable stencils to help users create consistent and creative patterns. These markers are designed for external use only, suitable for ages 13 and up, and comply with cosmetic safety regulations, making them a safer alternative to regular markers for skin application. Users consistently praise the vibrant and bright colors these markers produce. The colors are long-lasting and maintain their brightness for a couple of days, which is longer than many traditional temporary tattoos that tend to peel off unevenly. The brush tip is highly effective, allowing for fine lines and easy filling of larger areas. The ink dries quickly enough to prevent smudging or bleeding, which is a significant advantage for creating neat and professional-looking temporary tattoos. Many users have found these markers ideal for special occasions, parties, festivals, and sporting events, where temporary body art adds to the fun and expression. The included stencils are a popular feature, especially among younger users and beginners. The reusable nature of the stencils allows for repeated use without loss of quality, helping users produce consistent and intricate designs such as paw prints, which have become a family favorite. This feature encourages creativity and makes the product accessible even to those who may not have strong freehand drawing skills. Several users have reported that their children and teens enjoyed the markers immensely, appreciating the skin-friendly formula that avoids the harsh chemicals found in regular markers or Sharpies. However, there are some limitations noted in user feedback. One common point is the absence of a green marker in the color set, which some users would like for drawing plants and nature-inspired designs. The yellow marker also tends to be less visible on lighter skin tones. Additionally, the temporary tattoos require multiple passes of the marker over the skin to achieve a lasting effect of 2 days. If applied lightly, the designs tend to fade within a day. Removal can be challenging. The ink does not wash off easily and may require several washes or scrubbing, which users should be aware of when planning to use these markers. In terms of safety, the markers are formulated with ingredients that comply with cosmetic regulations and are cruelty-free. They are not tested on sensitive skin, and users are advised to avoid application near eyes or lips and on broken or irritated skin. Some users have reported no skin irritation, making these markers suitable for children and teens who like to experiment with body art safely. Overall, the BodyMark Temporary Tattoo Markers offer a fun, creative, and safe way to express oneself with temporary tattoos. They stand out for their bright, long-lasting colors, ease of use, and included stencils that enhance the experience. While there are minor drawbacks such as color variety and removal difficulty, the product delivers on its promise of providing a cosmetic-quality, skin-safe temporary tattoo solution. We encourage anyone who owns this product to leave their own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase is in the description, and supporting the channel through that link is appreciated.